Hello everyone, here I have some chopped carrots and celery, some garlic, Chinese sausage, few eggs, cooked rice. Here I cooked some eggs, some shrimp, and Chinese sausage first. Once that's done, I sauteed some garlic and my veggies. Once my veggies cooked, I pour in my cooked rice, add soy sauce and light soy sauce, thick soy sauce for coloring. Mix that all up. Once that's done, add in your cooked Chinese sausage, eggs, and shrimp, and mix it all together. Thank you so much. It's simple and easy fried rice.